Hey guys, okay, my hair is in need of a touch-up, so I'm going to show you how I redo the roots and, make these pink again. So I'm currently like a pastel pink. I don't like to go too much brighter, but let's get started. If you've got a friend to help you, even better. So I have mixed up my bleach mix. I am using on me, and this here is a 20 bowl. Also, my scalp is quite sensitive, so I have the De Lorenzo Nova Color Protect. I'm going to put a couple squirts in here. You'd be surprised how easy it can be just to get a little bit and accidentally wipe it on you or flick, and then your shirt will be discolored. I found out the hard way. My partner did actually with his shirt. So, sorry. But I guess you could call it like a navy with like a tie-dye bleach. And like you don't have to be too perfect. The main thing is just with all of the regrowth, so it's kind of covered. And then I'm just going to keep coming in just where that dark line is. Okay, stay tuned for part 2 tomorrow, how I'm going to tell you how I finish and add the pink, and you will not believe how I achieve this color. Chat tomorrow. Mwah.